How to build area charts in Power BI. In this example, we're going to go through an unstacked area chart, like you see above, and a stacked area chart, like you see below. Let's go over to Power BI and take a look. An unstacked area chart is essentially a line chart with an area fill. So let's click on Area Chart, open my field pane, and bring in sales onto the y-axis, in order date onto the x-axis. In this case, I only want month, so I'm going to get rid of year, quarter, and day. Let's make it bigger. I can cut this area chart by region by putting region onto the legend shelf. Now I have an unstacked area chart. A stacked area chart is built by clicking Stacked Area Chart, bring sales onto the y-axis, order date onto the x-axis. I'm only going to keep month, so let's get rid of year, quarter, and day. Make this bigger. When I drag region onto legend, we get a stacked area chart. And that's how to build area charts in Power BI.